What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today I want to do a review of an endoscope that I found on Amazon, and it was only like $25, I believe, that when I bought it. Now it's $25 if you buy the wired version. There's also a wireless version for like $30, and I bought it. I'm honestly extremely impressed with it, and it works with your phone, so you don't have to spend like $300-400 with a Snap-on Matco ones, or there's even some 100 something dollar ones on like Harbor Freight and stuff like this. But this one was only $25 or something like that. I'll put links to everything right there in the description. So without any further ado, let's go. Alright, so here's the Borescope. This is the box that it came with. I'm not sure what the other ones, what different kind of boxes has. I like the way the shipment was and how it came like on a hard box. That way it doesn't get damaged. Okay, so let's open up the box now. Once we get the box opened up, camera comes in a little pouch, and then we also have these other two adapters. One's for the lightning for the iPhone. The actual camera connector comes with a USB-C, so if you have iPhone 15 or over, you already have USB-C. It has a warranty card, and then we have the instructions here. We open up the instructions. It tells us what application we need to download so we can use this. We can either search it on the App Store or actually scan that QR code and download that application. Here is the camera. Now the camera is 9, or the cable for it is 9 feet long. Comes with these 3 adapters. We have a magnet adapter. Now these adapters, you can screw them onto the front of the camera, which is actually great from what I've seen. You have these 90-degree mirror adapters, so you can see 90 degrees from where you're putting the camera in. And then you have this little hook also, just in case you dropped anything in there. But I think the magnet will help out if, but like I said, it has you can screw this in there. So I've seen some in the past that just kind of clip on, but I've always felt like those could like fall off. But this one, you actually screw it on. You can see the threads there. And this is the application that you need to download. Once we open up the application, you can see these 2 icons. They're actually grayed out. So just follow the instructions of connecting the cable and actually accessing it through the Wi-Fi also. And then the icons will turn blue. You can press on it and now your camera is completely on. You can kind of look around in your camera and stuff. Just look inside this box where it came on, and then you can see it right there. And then it has its own LED, so it really helps out a lot. Here it is, you can see yourself. Then you have 2 options on quality of the camera, but 1080p or 1920 is really good. You can record whatever you're looking at on the camera. You can take pictures of it. Then you also have like a light. The light inside the camera, you can either dim it or put it regular, just in case like it's too bright wherever you're looking at. So you can always change that also. Like I said, you press the HD, you can see a 1920 or 1280. You can change like rotate the camera, basically black and white. I don't know why you would need that, but there it goes. Or you flip the camera one way or another, just in case you don't have to be turning the camera around while you're in there. Like I usually use this to like look inside pistons. And like I said, for $25, $30, depending which one you get, for me, it's an awesome investment. Like I said, I've always wanted one of these, and I've always used the one from the shop. Whatever shop I work at, they usually have one. But now I can use this one for myself, and just use it off of my phone. I don't know why I never thought about this. I never searched it, but there it is. And like I said, $25 for this one that is wired, and $30 for the one that is wireless. I'm going to put the link to both of them right there in the description to Amazon. There you go. Alright, I really hope this video was helpful, and as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.